My name is Amy Ludwig VanDerwater, and I am author of The Sound of Kindness, illustrated by Teresa Martinez and published by Magination Press. I have always been moved by kindness, by acts of kindness that people have shown toward me. Each time I see someone act kindly toward someone else. And I like to stop and pay attention to when people slow down enough to think about others. What I hope for others reading this book is that they will pay attention to the kindness they already have around them, to the kindness inside of them, to take the time to appreciate themselves, appreciate each other, and know this is a beautiful planet we're on, and each day as we share and give, we can make it more so. I wrote a poem a year or two ago called Every Day. Every day. Today, someone will need another to be a friend, dry a tear, let them know they're welcome here. Someone will need, I may not know, someone will need what I can't see. Someone will need, I can be kind. Someone will need, I need to be. I wish you kindness today and on your journey.